Hello everyone, my name is Jorge Labrada and today I'm going to show you my two mechanics that I add on my level design class number 2, and those mechanics are a falling floor and a ladder. I did this level as part of a multiple level linear or survival horror game with zombies and monsters, and I don't know if you can see, but for here it's going to be the floor, and then it's going to be the first zombie. And then after that zombie, then we also get from here a ladder. You need to go up and continue. Right, there's some stairs in here that we're gonna go up, and then after arriving here, which was part of like the middle part of the game, there's a really high game, and I'm not gonna show it to you. But if you're interested, I can just send you the link if you want me to get the video. And the final ladder is going here. You need to look up and then continue. And then the final fight with the final boss, gigantic zombie. The command you just aim through the head. If you're not as bad as me, just kill issue. And then finally, the last ladder. You need to do a little jump, and then we're gonna be at the top. This helicopter, which we will learn on. Insert the key and escape from this nightmare of a building. I hope you like this part of the level, but now let me just move really quick to my two blueprints. This being first of all the collapsing floor. I create this viewport. Basically, it's just a floor mesh that I use, a cube, and then I make it as a floor. Then I use the event beginning overlap, so it gets to my scrapper, to my character, and after the character movement on the ground, then it's set to collapsing. When it's set to collapsing, we're gonna go through, and it's just collapsing. Then it's gonna be a delay for the fracture side. Then the mesh is gonna change, so the visibility goes up and the collision is enabled. So it makes all player fall down. That's gonna be the little small code that I did for the collapsing floor. Then for the ladder, what I just did is with the viewport, I created a small design of a ladder on the playground. Then I went to the event graph and I used a begin overlap and an end overlap. Begin overlap to the scrapper, gonna be on climbing, that is true. On climbing being used from our, let me just open it real quick, the scrapper base that I there went from climbing is climbing a branch, the character movement, and the character movement in here, and then the speed of the flying, but instead of flying it's actually a climbing animation that would be. And then the same on climbing, on target, if it's going up it's on climbing, if the overlap ends it's not climbing. That's what I did for also the ladders. Well, I hope you all like it, as I enjoyed this part of the level on that class, and I hope I get to work with many of you on this one. Thank you.